Hi, I'm Christopher, a research software engineer with Research Software Workshops, and it's a very warm welcome to part 7, the final part of this text and sentiment analysis in our workshop. The materials at the link below. Navigate to the summary section and it should look something like this. So this is the end now of this workshop. This course has given you a brief introduction, really brief introduction, to the tools that can help you perform text and sentiment analysis. Really do emphasize it's been a brief introduction. Now, I was very inspired in putting this course together by this book, Text Mining in R, A Tidy Approach. And if you want to learn more, I strongly encourage you, highly encourage you, to have a read through this book and indeed buy a copy if you think it's good enough. It's a very fantastic book, and you can see it goes through much more detail, analysing word counts, tidying text, building n-grams, looking at correlation and word clouds, etc. And a few case studies at the end will provide you with some more inspiration. Now, this workshop itself, was heavily influenced, as I said, by that book. It follows a similar learning journey with similar examples, and what we've done is change the examples for things which we can teach within this workshop, and then also provided a bit more explanation given the background we expect from many of the attendees of this workshop. All of the text of this workshop is published under a Creative Commons license as set here, and the source for all of the material for this workshop can be found on GitHub, where fixes, pull requests, etc. are highly welcome. There are bound to be lots of typos in here. But anyway, thank you for getting through all the way through to the end of this workshop, and indeed if you've been through all of our R workshops, for going through all of the R workshops that we have. We hope you continue your R learning journey. If you have any comments, any questions, please feel free to get in touch with us. But otherwise, thank you for attending. Goodbye.